is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-239-78046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in details. The Meghalaya government has relaxed the ongoing curfew in Shillong from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. Essential and non-essential shops will be allowed to remain open from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Any public gathering, meeting, rally, etc. is not permitted, an order by the East Khasi Hills District Administration said. Shillong is under curfew since August 15 due to deterioration in the law and order situation. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, after chairing a review meeting yesterday, said that the government will also lift the ban on mobile internet services from 6 p.m. today. The Peace Committee, which has been formed by the state government, will meet tomorrow. Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Mansukh Mandavia chaired a review meeting on public health response to COVID-19 with health ministers of Northeastern states in Assam yesterday. He announced a special package of 1,352.92 crore rupees for Northeastern states to strengthen health infrastructure to fight the pandemic effectively. This fund will assist the states to procure medicines and keep adequate stock of oxygen. It will also help create sufficient numbers of beds in hospitals at district and local levels, including beds for ICUs. The Union Health Minister assured that the centre will ensure regular supply of vaccines to the Northeastern states so that maximum number of people are vaccinated within the next few months. Meghalaya reported 252 new COVID-19 cases and 5 deaths due to the viral infection yesterday. 3 of the COVID-19 inflicted persons who died were not vaccinated, official records revealed. The number of fatalities due to COVID-19 reached 1,240 in the state, while 417 more people recovered from the virus. Meghalaya had 3,591 active cases as per the latest official count. Nagaland yesterday reported 79 fresh COVID-19 positive cases, mounting the caseload to 29,274. Recoveries of 137 more patients improved the recovered cases to 26,738. 2 more deaths related to COVID-19 increased the fatality figure to 593. The state's active cases till yesterday were 1,088. In Manipur, 403 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. 6 persons expired due to the viral infection. Among them, only 1 patient had taken the first dose and 2 had taken second doses of COVID vaccination. The cumulative deaths are 1,722. Meanwhile, 946 more COVID-19 patients recovered. The recovery rate is 93.16% and active caseload stands at 6,270. The Assam government has allowed inter-district movement of private vehicles and of people except to and from Kamrup district due to improvement in COVID-19 situation. However, movement of inter-district public transport shall remain suspended. Health Minister Keshav Mahanta said that night curfew will be imposed from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. across the state. The physical classes in respect of final year of graduate, postgraduate, engineering and medical colleges, among others, may be allowed to be started with fully vaccinated students. The Union Minister of State for Steel and Rural Development, Fagan Singh Kullaste, inspected various projects undertaken under the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee mission in Manipur yesterday. The Union Minister said that Manipur has a huge number of self-help groups which will facilitate in increasing employment in the state. The robust growth of SHGs is a big achievement for the country, especially for women folk. It is the Prime Minister's vision that women's empowerment can be achieved only through empowering them financially, the Minister said. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.